Hello everyone, this is my homework solution to Palm Quarter's Understanding GPIO Pins video, and the assignment was to get the user to input how many blinks he wants, and then blink the LED that many times. So here's an example. I'm going to Python, how many blinks? I'm going to click 5, and enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Control C to exit. Here is my code. I import time and I have a while loop, and it inputs the number of blinks. I have a for loop that blinks how many times I asked it to. And yeah, it was kind of difficult since I actually haven't blinked an LED in so long that I forgot that you have to turn it on and then delay, then turn it off, then delay. I was just so confused on that, so it took a little while for me to understand that. And with all this GPIO dot cleanup and how you have to make sure that you don't lock up the GPIO pins, that confused me a lot too. So to get the code this perfect took a little while. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and talk to you guys later.